I gotta wash this motherfucker. I gotta power wash this motherfucker.
I think it's a game. Told you I'll be back in a week. Shh. I can have this bitch back together tonight if I want to, nigga. Playing on motherfucking games. Real D&B performance, nigga. On the west side. Let's pop this front clip back on, man. Already got the fender on. Probably gonna change that side skirt. Nigga, I'm making this bitch get real naked. That bitch is back, nigga. I'm finna slap this motherfucker up on here. If you don't know this car, I'm finna introduce you to it. It's my 91 Camaro. I've been having it since high school. I had an LT1 in it at first. I swapped in. Now I got an LS60 in there with a few upgrades. It runs pretty cool, pretty decent. Took it out a couple weeks ago. A non-driver at Swope Park hit me. Fucking V6 Camaro. If that shit don't spin, quit driving that shit, man. So you hit my car, you fucked up a front clip. I got this off my parts car down in the yard. I had these in there. My BMW headlights, but he smashed them. Now, when I first got them, it was like $100-something bucks. Now they're like $300, $400 for a set of Angel Eyes. So I ain't going back with these, but I bought something a little better than these though. eBay. I grabbed these out of there. They're the halo rings under the bottom with the red daytime running lights. So we're gonna see what these look like. I'll pop them in. So about to pop this hood, put in this work. Let's get busy. Let's see what it look like. They definitely, when you start putting them in, you're gonna notice they definitely gonna take some massaging on the backside of this metal bracket. Had to shave them down with my grinder and cutting wheel. That's the first tool in on the driver's side. Got some more wiring to do. You gotta reverse the terminals on your regular light, the ground, and your low beam. Gotta reverse those. Plug them back in. Your light should come on. Be sure to look at the wire diagram. They ain't gonna see you now. It's gonna be on the